Okay, Laker, tell us what you're doing.
We're making guacamole.
We're making guacamole? What's Chill Freddy doing? Making tortilla chips. Making fries? Making chips? Look you go. Oh, should we add some more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oopsies. Got it in my hand.
Squeeze a little bit of a...
Got it on there.
It's okay that you got it on your hands. What do you think if we taste it?
Yeah, we should taste it.
Oh,
We
okay.
should taste it, Daddy.
Still want to Chill Freddy's chips.
Get salt? You get salt them.
Okay, you take one and I take one. They're a little warm though, okay?
How does it taste?
A hot chip.
Good?
That's really good. With some lemon, some seasoned salt. What do you think? Pretty good?
Guacamole is good.
What do you think?
Good.
Jackie, you want to taste it?
Uh-oh. Kisses it. Sure. I'll taste it.
Mmm.
Can you guess the cracks?
Too hot?
It's a hot.
It's a hot.
You make good guacamole.
Good job, Laker. Pound it.